Top 10 beautiful places to visit in France. Here are the top 10 beautiful places to visit in France. 1. Paris. Paris is the capital of France and is home to some of the most iconic attractions in the world, like the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre. 2. Loire Valley. Boasting a rich history and stunning landscape, the Loire Valley offers some of the most picturesque views of chateaux and vineyards in the world. 3. French Riviera. Located on the Mediterranean coast. The French Riviera is a popular destination for luxury travelers, with upscale resorts and beautiful beaches. 4. Mont Saint-Michel. This small island is home to a stunning medieval abbey, making it one of the most popular tourist destinations in France. 5. Normandy Beaches. The beaches of Normandy are the site of one of the most pivotal battles of World War II. Today, visitors can pay their respects to the fallen soldiers at the D-Day Memorial. 6. Bordeaux. This port city is known for its beautiful architecture, delicious wines, and vibrant nightlife. 7. Strasbourg. Located on the border of France and Germany, Strasbourg is a charming city with a mix of cultures and plenty of things to do. 8. Lyon. This city is known for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful architecture, and delicious cuisine. 9. Marseille. Situated on the Mediterranean Sea, Marseille is the second largest city in France and is known for its sunny climate and stunning coastal views. 10. The Alps. The Alps are a spectacular mountain range that stretches across parts of France, Italy, Switzerland, and Austria. It is a popular destination for skiing and snowboarding.